Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful hexagonal pattern titled Dual Tone Hexagon. It is titled Dual Tone because we are using double colors and the stitches are placed in a different manner and different types of stitches are used here. And it creates a beautiful pattern once it is made. And this can be used in any of the projects, and several hexagonal pieces can be made and joined together and made into several different varieties of products. So let's go into the video without much delay friends. Chain 8, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. And then chain 3 or make a standing double crochet. One more standing double crochet. So we will come and finish this. Chain 3, 3 double crochets, 5 more times, totally 5 times. So we'll have on the whole 6 sets of 3 double crochets and 6 sets of chain 3 spaces. So complete this round. I shall also complete and get back. Come to the end of this round here. Now chain 3 and place a double crochet to complete the first set of 3 double crochets. And here we slip stitch to the first double crochet and fasten off. So I shall slip stitch and fasten off and get back to you with the second color. With right side facing, join color B to any chain 3 space with a slip stitch. And chain 5 counts as double treble. And place 2 double trebles chain 2, sorry, I have to place one more. You have to work little slowly, 3 times. Chain 2 and 3 double trebles, yarn over thrice and so work little carefully. So this counts as 3 double trebles, chain 2, 3 double trebles in the first chain space. In every chain 3 space, place 3 double trebles, chain 2, 3 double trebles. This is the pattern repeat for this particular round. So you can hide the yarn as you go, it's no issue. So now it may look clumsy, but afterwards I'll hide it later. It's not good. Yeah. So place 3 times. chain 2, again 3 double trebles. So place the shell, set of stitches for the shell in every chain 3 space and get back. I shall also complete and get back. I have completed this round here, but before slip stitching and fastening off, check whether you have right number of stitches in each of these chain 3 spaces, otherwise the next following rounds will go all wrong. I have checked it. Now I am going to slip stitch to the first, that is the 5th chain of the chain 5 and fastening off. I shall do that and get back, and I will get back with color A again. With right side facing, join color A to any of the first double trebles of the shell. So let us join here. Yeah, excuse me. Slip stitch and make a double crochet in the same space, or chain 3 and go ahead. So I prefer to make a standing double crochet always, and 1 double crochet each on each of the next 2 double trebles, 1 on each of them. In the corner make 2 doubles, chain 2 doubles, not in the corner, in chain 3 space, chain 2 space. Every chain 2 space you're going to place 2 doubles, chain 2 doubles. And now 1 double in each of the next 6 double trebles. So I shall complete this, and then we'll go ahead and repeat the same type of stitches on the other sides too. So 1 2 3 over. The 4th one will be dicey, it will be here. Fifth one and the 6th one. So when we make this, we reach the chain 2 space. In the chain 2 space make 2 doubles, chain 2 doubles, and again 1 double each on the next 6. Continue this all around. I shall meet you at the end of the round here. We come to the end of the round here. I have to place 1 double crochet in each of the last 3 double trebles. So then fasten off by, then slip stitch and fasten off. Okay, I shall slip stitch, fasten off, and get back with the color B. I completed this round, and then as I told you, I did the invisible join and fastened off the yarn, and I had hidden the yarn behind. Now the right side facing you, and with color B yarn, you join this color B yarn to any of the stitches here. Let me start from 1 2, yeah, the 3rd stitch here. Slip stitch, not the 3rd, 4th stitch, because we'll be working the cross stitches, so it goes in even numbers. So how we joined, it's going to take us, the pattern is going to take that shape. Now make a standing DC or chain 3 as the first double crochet. And now the trick is, you have to come back and place your 1 double crochet here in this stitch, yarn over, hold it, and you're going to work in front of the double crochet you made. You're not going to bind it and overlap it. You're not going to overlap the cross stitch. So this is how you're going to place your cross stitches. Again skip 1 and place a double crochet in the next. And now it is little tricky, but you have to yarn over, insert a hook under the previous stitch, and bring the hook to the front, pick up the yarn and complete the double crochet. if the normal speed is not enough to know the stitches, you can reduce the speed of the video and watch the stitches. So I shall make up to this corner and show you. So again, skip the next, and the next one, make a double crochet. I hold my hook very lightly, that's why it happens very often for me. And now come back, yarn over the hook, insert the hook under the loop of the stitch, and in front, bring the hook from front, not from behind. From the front of the stitch made, bring it to the front here. Hold it and bring it to the front. Yarn over the hook, pull through and complete the double crochet. Again, skip this here. Overlapping and working is very easy and simple, but this is little dicey and it is time consuming. And in the chain space, make a double crochet and come back. Again, bring it to the front and make a crossover. Sorry, this has become too. Bring the yarn to the front. See, it has to come like this. It should not go behind. It has to come like this. So yarn over, insert. Arey Baba. It's really tricky to work. And complete the double. And now again, skip this. It is easier to work on these stitches than in the corner. Again, continue the pattern, stitch pattern all around. I shall also continue, complete and get back. This is how it looks. Okay, let me complete and get back. Come to the end of the round here. I am left with 2 stitches, so complete, skip this and yarn over the hook, hold it like this and pick up from the front. It's very easy to work from the back, but that will give a different definition to the stitches here. Now slip stitch to the first stitch, join and fasten off, secure and fasten off. Here we go, we have this dual tone hexagon. Because we are using 2 colors, it is titled as dual tone hexagon. Hope you enjoyed this stitch, friends. And this can be made to any size. We can customize the size. Only thing, the last round we have to place the cross stitches. Rest of the rounds we can go on increasing and customizing it. Okay. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Before that, a request from our side. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share the videos too. Have a great day, friends. Bye for now.